You could be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Expediting America.
How you doing? I'm picking up and going to Alabama.
Okay, do you know where you're going in the warehouse, sir?
No, sir.
Okay, you should be going around to the other side of the warehouse, okay?
Okay.
Drive all the way around. Once you make that second left, come on the other side. First door on your left will say driver check-in.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
All right, so here's the deal. We're here in Summerville, South Carolina, picking up a load, 3,000 pounds, 3 pallets, 48 by 48. Not really sure what it is, but we're going from here in Summerville, South Carolina, 375 miles west to Lincoln, Alabama. It's a direct delivery. It was set for tonight at 8 o'clock for delivery, pick up at 3 o'clock, about a 6-hour drive. But I'm still here waiting. It is almost 5 o'clock right now, so I've been here a little over 2 hours waiting for this door back here to open up and hopefully have a forklift come out with 3 pallets for me. We got 2 other expediters sitting out here, and they've been waiting as well, just as patient. Bubba Joe's being very patient right here. We had a good day yesterday in Augusta, Georgia, sightseeing and having fun, relaxing, taking a break. And now we're back to it. It's Monday, and we're back to the grind. I don't know why I'm sitting like this with my arm like this. It's just comfortable. Maybe I got to stretch. But yeah, we're going to deliver this tonight. More than likely, it's 6 hours away. So even if we get uploaded here around 6 o'clock, I can still make it there by midnight. But yeah, hope everyone's doing good, having a blessed day, starting off your week good and productive. Coming up on 50 episodes here. I think I started with just 1. Horrible quality, by the way. So you go watch my first video, which I think everyone should, just to see the progression, you know what I mean? It's kind of cool. But yeah. So that's my day right now. We're just waiting. Hopefully we get loaded up soon. I'll keep y'all posted. Peace. So they had 20 minutes until I got a layover, but they're coming out with it now. That's so close. One's going on Lincoln, Clover Road. Okay, yeah, I'm taking Lincoln.
And Homer Road, Talladega.
I'm just going to Lincoln. All right, because they were telling me like 3,000 pounds. Is that not the case?
No.
Okay, okay. Let me sign this for you.
going.
Was I supposed to take this, or do you know? Or was that his copy? All these are stapled.
Do you normally take those?
I just take whatever they give me, and he give me this. He give me all this. I said it wasn't stapled to this. 9 shells. What's on these towers?
I'll put your pen right there too, bro. Don't lose that.
Yeah, no, I want to say each pallet is probably like 10 pounds.
Yeah, that's funny.
Sure you think can hold it?
I don't know. I might need to get some new shocks after this one. And I'm taking both of them because one of them's going to Lincoln and the other one's going to Tallahassee, Alabama. Okay.
Алло, Дим, пикап номер просят. Алло, привет.
Okay. And then I gotta ask because it says on my BOL it says only one destination, and he loaded me with 2 different destinations.
Talladega and Lincoln.
Yeah.
Yeah, we already talked to the customer, and that's how they wanted it loaded.
Okay, but it's all going to the same place, or it's 2 different destinations.
I will always advise to take it where your dispatch is. Okay, yeah, so 2 separate.
Okay, it is, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well I'll have to work that out with my dispatch.
So yeah, they're both in Alabama, but yeah, we have to talk to dispatch.
Okay.
Let me have you sign as an agent on each,
Okay.
and here are your copies.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great one. Please be safe.
Definitely. Thank you. You too.
No problem.
All right, so we got loaded up, but as you can see, they loaded it up with 2. First of all, I thought it was gonna be 3,000 pounds. That's not the case. So we gotta check with the broker on that. Also, it's 2 different loads, 2 different destinations, 2 different stops. One's Talladega, Alabama, and one is Lincoln, Alabama, which is the original one. So they slid that in on us last minute. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna move until we get some more money for this. So I checked with my dispatch. They're talking to the broker right now, and we're gonna figure it out. It's not much farther from Lincoln, Alabama, maybe another 50 miles, but it's still another stop. And for another stop, you're supposed to get some more money. So. Especially if it's not already in the contract ahead of time and they're trying to sneak it in on there on you. So should be okay. We'll see what they say and I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so we got confirmation on the second stop. So we'll go ahead and strap in here. Get on our merry way. It's about a 5-hour, 55-minute drive. Should be there by about 10 or 11 tonight. But yeah, let's do it. All right, so we got lucky because there was 2 Expeditors in front of me. One of them gave up and just left, and the other one had a load canceled on them because the delivery time was already past what they needed it to be at the airport. So we got lucky. We did have to wait a little bit, an hour and 40 minutes. Anything more than that, usually get a layover, but they made it just in time. I think they did it on purpose. But we're hitting the road, gonna get some gas, and next stop, Lincoln, Alabama. Peace. All right, so I talked to the broker. Nice guy. His name is James Jones. He's out of Dallas, Fort Worth. But he tried to tell me that the address was right, the 249B. I told him go on Google right now and type in 249B Clover Drive. It'll take you to a golf course, bro. Like I'm not sleep deprived. I'm not going crazy. Like I know where I was. And if you look up the address, if you type in on Google Honda plant in Alabama, it gives you a totally different address. And plus, why would it be 249B Clover Drive? Like this is a big ass plant. They're not splitting it with nobody. There's no A and B. This is the Honda plant. You know what I mean? Like, bro, people are wild. How you doing?
I don't know. It doesn't say it on the thing. What company do you drive for? Yeah. Is they looking for him? Oh, just follow him and he gonna escort you.
All right, thank you. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome.
Now they got me following this guy, and we're leaving the plant. What the hell? I want to go to sleep. Like, where are you taking me, bro? Like, why don't they just give me the address they want me to go to? I'll go. This is not my first rodeo. The broker just called me again. And I just hung up on it. It's a different broker. This is like a broker that's not from here. He's overseas. And he keeps calling me, asking if I'm here. Like, bro, I'm here, okay? I told you this already. I'm here because I found the address. Like, chill. And then I hung up on him. And then he ended up calling my dispatcher like, yo, the guy hung up on me. Yeah, I hung up on you, bro, after I told you I'm here. Looks like this is like a different warehouse. I don't get it though, man. Like, why are you gonna have me expedite something and then not have me bring it to the location where you need it? You're gonna have me bring it to a warehouse where you're gonna hold it forever. My name Brandon.
What's your company name?
Local Gadget Arms.
Okay, you're going all the way to the end of the road, past the stop sign to the end of the road.
Okay.
You're gonna make a right. You're gonna go in the middle of the building. You're gonna see two sets of steps. The first set of steps where the ramp is, take your paperwork up there. Take it from there.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Yeah, they gave me the wrong address.
What you driving? You in a van?
Sprinter van, yeah.
Okay. Once you get unloaded, come back. I had paper signed for you.
Okay.
All right.
Are y'all gonna take both of them? Cause there's one for Talladega too. Can y'all take both? Or?
Yep.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Dope. Thank you. Alright, so that's good news. At least they can take both deliveries. I don't gotta go to another place, even though it's not far. They probably wouldn't give me much money for it anyways. Sorry, Bubba Joe. Sorry, Bubba Joe. Country music goes on. when my Bluetooth goes off. But yeah, so she told me to wait out here until somebody comes out here to unload me. It's been a great day. A lot of twists and turns, but we made it. I don't know if you can see in there, but that's a pretty big warehouse. They got a lot of stuff in there. Thanks for getting me unloaded, man.